All right, Tiger Woods, rates are on fire, Bruins in Lake Tahoe, that's all coming up. Episode 7.
6 or 7?
7. This is our new gimmick, DG Now. Welcome in, DG Now, episode 7. We just confirmed Devo. Tough news yesterday, Tiger Woods car accident. I saw that, thought the worst immediately. What was your initial reaction when you saw it?
Scary stuff, right? It goes to show you how life can change so quickly.
In an instant.
Right, and this guy's obviously gone through a lot, right or wrong. I'm a Tiger fan.
Yep.
Not everything he's done in his life is correct, but...
No politics on this show.
You watched the documentary, right, that recently came out about him.
Oh, did you see it? Did you watch that?
I did.
Wow, we didn't even talk about this.
Parts of it. But, I mean, you realize that his upbringing was not normal, right? So, just like a lot of these celebrities that were brought up in that way, it's tough to point fingers.
That was a hit piece too, by the way, right? It doesn't portray him in the best light.
Correct.
All right, hold on. Hold your thoughts on that. But wishing him the best. Obviously, I think they just had surgery. He had surgery on both his legs.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't want to go too grim or anything like that. The likelihood that he's winning another Masters past the age of 44 at this point with this news, probably not likely.
Disagree.
Disagree?
I'm going all in.
Optimism is pretty grim, Paul. Yeah, I'm a grim person.
That's not going to happen.
Right.
This guy is a Tiger, right? And I truly believe he'll push through it, and he will win another major.
Wow, memorable moments. This quote, "This guy is a Tiger." That was fantastic. All right. We'll get to rates on fire as we did the tease. Good thing, bad thing. You let us know.
It's the market right now. Rates are unfortunately ticking up. What's amazing is that the media is always talking about rates going down, but they're not reporting when rates are going up. We've seen the largest jump in rates over the past 2 weeks that we've seen in over 2 years. So it's truly amazing to see on a daily basis. We're getting into that weird time right now where we're seeing swings at 8 to sometimes 0.25% in a day, in an afternoon.
When you're on the phone with people telling them why this is happening, because these people, like the people you're talking to, are probably not in the weeds, right? They're not watching CNBC. They're regular people like me. What are you telling them is the cause for all this action? And
rates, there's a lot that goes into it, right? But just to kind of keep it simple, if you watch what's going on in the stock market, right, there's a lot of volatility there. And the talk of inflation has got the rates moving up.
Yep.
My guide, and I'm going off from my man Barry Abib, has been saying this for a while, is that you're going to see rates trade between probably 2.75 and 3.5 in 2021. Right now, in some cases, we're just hitting like the 3% mark, okay? I think that there is room for them to go higher. Big picture, I think we're going to be okay. There is talk of a recession in 2022, maybe early 2023, and the thought is that rates will come back and that we could see mid twos, believe it or not, in the next couple of years again, which would be amazing. Not great for that we might have a recession, but it's kind of setting up that way. So we'll see what happens.
There's a lot of people watching this and they're hearing our tone, but then we're also saying rates are, in the 3s, like still insanely low. So just work with the right people, they get the deal done.
Big picture, guys. This is amazing. And what's so funny is that when we talk to clients on a daily basis, everybody's so rate sensitive, especially first-time home buyers, right? That Gen Y, Gen Z, they only know these ridiculous rates, right? Yep. Big picture, if we're in the 3s, that's truly amazing.
Yeah, the impact on your actual payment. So work with somebody who can walk you through all those details. Right. So that's it. If you need more information, DM us right up there. Easy to get a hold of us. We'll let you know anything you want.
You don't buy an interest rate, you buy a home.
There you go. Wow, look at that. Another moment for DG Now. That's a nice quote. A nice little quote there. All right, Lake Tahoe Bruins. You and I haven't even really caught up on this. I actually just saw a tweet. I'll bust it up. I just saw a tweet. Most watched NHL game on NBC Sports Network was the Lake Tahoe Bruins Flyers game.
Impressive.
Yeah.
That is crazy. I thought they did a great job. Kind of miffed by the whole ice situation and the scheduling. Coming from a guy who builds a rink and takes great pride in making sure the ice is taken care of. Just from a rookie, the biggest thing that impacts the ice outside of the weather is anything that's on the ice. A leaf that falls, that freezes, a pine needle can ruin an area of the ice.
Yes.
Paint is the same way. They painted that ice up like it was,
and they gotta make it look good.
Like, you know what? Give it 3 lines. It's like pond hockey.
All right.
Bare bones. It impacted Saturday,
Yep,
right?
yep.
I mean, they should have just played at 7 o'clock at night when the sun was going down, get the sunset.
Yep.
And then we would have been able to watch it from the East Coast.
Even in prime time, it would have been really cool. Like if you could,
Right.
well, you're actually, yeah, because it was on the West Coast, so it would have been super late at that point.
Right. They played at midnight. It's
But
ridiculous.
Listen, there's been enough sunlight takes from Lake Tahoe that you don't need our takes on that. David Pasternak's outfit, though, not enough of those.
The correlation to the Randy Macho Man Savage, I don't know if you saw that side by side.
Yes.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Pasta, yeah, he
The
makes
team
it fun.
coming out, all looking like that in the 80s outfits was just unbelievable. I've been looking, by the way, for like suits like that. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
The jumpsuits.
Yeah.
I can't find those. I want suits like that. I got to find out where they got them. We must
Be a
have
uniform for DG now.
There you go. Well, maybe we'll wear that one day, Halloween or something like that. All right, DG Now, episode 7. We'll catch up with you next week.